Hi, this is Joseph with HoodCleaningProfit.com, and I just want to put together a quick video to show the potential of the client generation, lead generation that can be initiated from a powerful SEO campaign. And I want to show the actual call volume that we get from ranking sites #1 for hood cleaners and kitchen exhaust cleaners. First off, New York City. I did a search for New York hood cleaning. As you can see, we are #1 here and also organically #1. This is huge, being in the business listings and the organic search both, because many times people will click through here and then the next place would be the top here. And as you notice, Google usually puts it in order. So just a little tip for you there. I want to check out the website a little bit. As you can see, big bold number. When you click on it, it calls, including on a mobile device. It will initiate the call now button there, and a very easy to access quote form. Now, having said that, I would like to click over to our phone report. In the last 30 days, we've got 108 calls, and I'm filming this on February 9. And as you can see, looks like we got 1 call today so far, and 2 calls today. And the 8th looks like we got a handful of calls. The 7th handful, same thing. On the some days it varies by day to day, but as you can see, we just consistently have traffic coming onto our site and making phone calls. So my next location here I would like to show is Houston. And as you can see, again, we are ranked #1 for Houston. And this is actually fairly recent. It's about 3 months old. And as you can see, we are still only ranked #2 in the organics. But very clearly, due to optimization on our business listing, we are ranked #1 here. And I just want to show you the call volume we are getting in Houston. As you can see, we actually have got 140 calls in the last 30 days. Now, given I do believe a fair amount of that has been sales calls, unfortunately, new businesses are. Actually, it looks, for the most part, as you can see over here, it's all fairly local. A handful here and there out of state. Looks like that would have been one. But again, look at the dates. Again, I'm filming on the 9th, and the 8th, we've got about 5 calls on the 8th, and the 7th, good steady call volume. It's actually bigger than New York, it seems like. But yeah, as you can see, just constant calls coming in, and that's really where it comes at, because it's a consistency and quality that matters. We actually got 1 call from a franchise who had 49 locations, and gave them a good price, went and checked them all out, and they went with us. And we actually, it's a huge ticket every month. We clean the hoods every 4 to 6 months, depending on the location, and it just really adds up. So yeah, just something really cool there. One more location is Philadelphia, and I spelled Philadelphia wrong. And as you can see, Philadelphia is a little smaller, but there's enough SEO done. I just want to show you something really cool here. So as you can see, we're ranked organically. We're ranked #1 here, but then our Yelp account is actually ranked #2. So we're taking up the first 2 spots. And I do believe if you go to Thumbtack, I know we're one of the top ones on Thumbtack, and on here, I don't know what that is, but several of our profiles are taking up the page 1. I know we're definitely on Home Advisor, and although we don't get any leads off Home Advisor. And so yeah, it's just great. Another one where domination is really everything. Now I'm going to click over to the phone report. Now, as you can see here, it's the same story again. Yesterday was the 8th. We got quite a few calls on the 8th. 7th, same thing, got 4. Looks like we got 7 or 8 calls yesterday. And just as you can see from the dates right here, it's just consistent calls coming in. And such a great way to build your business. Now, one thing said about hood cleaning a lot of hood cleaners, the way they grow their business is they go knock door to door, and many times they are turned down. People present them with the price of their current hood cleaner, and all they do is try to underbid them. What that happens is they end up having customers that went with them 100% for the price, no relationship. It's a very cold transaction, and basically they're going to pick apart everything you do if it's not as good as their last guy, because as you know, they were happy with their current guy. So yeah, it's just this is a phenomenal way to grow your hood cleaning business. If this is something you're interested, definitely check us out. It's hoodcleaningprofits.com, and my cell 706-371-6308. Feel free to give me a call, and I'd be happy to see if there's anything I can do to help your hood cleaning business.